vintage muscle saw. That's the McCulloch 180. This one does have the cart motor in it. We'll look at some of the features it has. It has a kill switch right in the center, oiler on the left, chokers on the right. Wasn't much for safety features then. There is no safety features to speak of at all. It's got the gearbox, the gear drive right here. That is a 42-inch bar and chain. Wrap handlebars, very large falling spike. This was reversible. You can see the bar studs. They can be pushed out. For whatever reason, that bar and chain could be mounted on this side too. Haven't seen very many of them done that way. Just something that McCulloch had. Got a few dents and dings, but overall for a vintage McCulloch chainsaw, it's in very good shape. A little ding here on the little area right there. Just a very nice Americana muscle chainsaw.